before we start, I would like to give a big and warm thank you to all those who subscribe to my channel, and for those who left some wonderful and awesome comments. I really appreciate your comments and your questions. For those who haven't subscribed yet, please do. Also give us a like. And again, big thank you and welcome back. So there, for today's episode, we're going to try out a very interesting multi-effects pedal. And this is the Zoom G5N. Here we go. Zoom G5N. So it's one of their multi-effects pedal. As we all know, Zoom really gives really excellent tone, a lot of the patches and options, also settings and other features such as like amp simulators, cabinets, and all. So right now I'm here at my brother's house. So for this review, it's going to be a quick review. I'm just going to do some random stuff, heavy and clean, and perhaps some lead stuff to just test out some random patches and tones. So we're going to use a Jackson. So this is my brother's guitar. Alright, I'm going to use a Marshall MG30 FX amplifier, and of course the Zoom G5N. So let's see how it looks or how it sounds. Alright, so there you go. I hope you enjoyed this short demo or video of this wonderful multi-FX pedal, which is the Zoom G5N. Hopefully next time I can review more patches and some effects. Unfortunately, this is not mine, so I'm looking forward to do another review of this wonderful multi-FX pedal. So again, thank you Kadilaos, and for those who haven't subscribed yet, please do. Again, thanks for watching, and see you around. Have a good day.